Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're talking about the Dyson Gen5detect Cordless Vacuum, a powerful and intelligent cleaning tool designed to elevate your cleaning game. With up to 70 minutes of runtime, HEPA filtration, and advanced features like real-time dust detection, this vacuum promises to tackle dirt, dust, and debris with ease. But does it live up to the hype? Let's get into it. The Dyson Gen5detect packs some serious power with 280 air watts, making it one of the most powerful cordless vacuums on the market today. Dyson claims it offers over 115% more power than previous models, and from the get-go, you can tell it means business. Whether you're dealing with dust on hard floors, embedded dirt in carpets, or pet hair on rugs, this vacuum can adapt to all surfaces and debris types. One of the standout features is the illuminated cleaner head. Dyson's advanced light technology shines a precise beam onto your floors, revealing up to 2x more invisible dust than traditional vacuums. This can be a game changer, especially when you're cleaning hard floors where dust tends to hide. It's a small touch, but it really transforms the way you see dirt as you clean, ensuring you don't miss a speck. The vacuum comes with two advanced cleaner heads. The fluffy optic cleaner head is perfect for hard floors, being gentle yet tough on dirt. The digital motor bar, on the other hand, is designed to deep clean all floor types, from thick carpets to low-pile rugs. One of its most notable features is its ability to tackle long hair and pet hair without tangling, which is often a major headache with other vacuums. Now let's talk about filtration. The Gen5detect is equipped with whole machine HEPA filtration, which traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.1 microns. This makes it a fantastic choice for allergy sufferers or anyone concerned about indoor air quality. It also expels cleaner air, leaving your home not just visibly cleaner, but healthier too. As for the battery, you can expect up to 70 minutes of runtime time, depending on the power mode and cleaning conditions. This is a solid amount of time for most households, though you may find that in higher power modes, the runtime decreases. But the fact that it intelligently adapts power based on the debris and floor type you're cleaning is a brilliant touch, helping to conserve battery and optimize cleaning performance. And, of course, the LCD screen displays real-time feedback, showing you how much dust you've picked up, the remaining runtime, and even maintenance alerts. It's all about keeping you in control while you clean. In terms of weight and maneuverability, the Dyson Gen5detect is light enough to carry around and use for extended periods, but still sturdy. The ergonomic handle and the way it converts into a handheld vacuum for smaller jobs or hard-to-reach areas is a nice touch. The vacuum is well-balanced, and cleaning under furniture or in tight corners doesn't feel like a chore. But it's not without its flaws. While the battery life is impressive, it can drop quickly in high power modes, and in larger homes or areas with a lot of debris, you might find yourself recharging more often than you'd like. Additionally, the price point may be a consideration for some. Dyson products tend to be on the higher end, and this one is no exception. When it comes to value for money, you're paying a premium for advanced features like the LCD screen, intelligent power adjustment, and the Illumination technology. But if these features aren't as important to you, there are other vacuums at a lower price point that offer solid performance across the board without the extra bells and whistles. However, if you have pets or allergies, or if you're someone who values having the latest tech in your cleaning tools, the Dyson Gen5detect might just be worth the investment. If you're considering alternatives, there are a few worth mentioning. The Shark IZ462H Vertex Pro is a popular choice for cordless vacuums, offering strong suction, a self-cleaning brush roll, and a lower price point. It doesn't have the illumination feature or the same level of filtration, but it's a reliable alternative. Another solid option is the Tenneco Pure One S15, which offers smart sensor technology that adjusts suction based on debris, though it falls short in terms of the advanced features Dyson provides. Looking at build quality, Dyson has maintained its reputation for premium construction. The vacuum feels solid, the materials don't feel cheap, and the accessories fit securely without wobbling. Cleaning the filters and brush rolls is relatively easy, which helps keep maintenance low. However, if you're dealing with a lot of pet hair or long hair, you'll want to stay on top of brush roll maintenance to avoid tangling and performance issues. As far as customer support goes, Dyson has a good reputation for handling warranty claims and offering prompt service, though like any brand, experiences may vary. The vacuum comes with a solid warranty, so you can rest easy knowing that you'll have support if any issues arise. To sum it all up, the Dyson Gen5detect is a powerful, feature-packed vacuum that offers an intelligent cleaning experience with great suction power, advanced filtration, and smart features that improve usability. It's ideal for anyone who needs a versatile cleaner for multiple surfaces, especially if you have pets, allergies, or need to clean invisible dust. The price is high, but the features justify it for those who prioritize top-tier performance. If you're in the market for a high-tech, all-around performer, this one's hard to beat. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you won't miss any of our latest reviews. If you're considering the Dyson Gen5detect or have any thoughts or questions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and remember, we've always got Reviews Inside TV to help you clean up the confusion when it comes to the best products.